we will do the big version. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, T, U, So the version we just did then, was that big or was it small?
Big.
What with the A, B, C, D? Which one? Big or small?
Big. Small.
Which one? A, B, C, D. Is it big or small?
Small. Big.
Big. Good. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, L, M, N, O, P. Really good. That's the big alphabet. And then the small alphabet is A, B, K, D, F, G, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I'm ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? So we have two versions of the alphabet. We have small, big, small, big. We also have 5 very special letters. Good, well done, I. Well done, you. Well done, everyone. So our special letters are A, E, I, O, and U. Can we say vowels? Vowels. Vowels. So our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. But our vowels are also A, E, I, O, A. Our vowels A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, A. Good. A, A. A, A, A. A, 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 A. So all of these say and sound like A or A. A, 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 A. So all of these are part of the A family. So to test it out, I now need to